Okay guys, today I'm turning up the cam head on these pins for the bearings, the side bearings of the PK. The head is 0.52 of an inch and it needs to be turned down to 3/8, but an offset cam of 45 thou. Anyway, this might be a little boring for some of you guys, but just gives you kind of an idea. Anyway, the pin looks something, the finish pin, looks something like that, and from the end it looks like this. So for argument's sake, this is 3/8 of an inch and this is 3/8 of an inch. There is tolerances I have to stay within, but right now the head is something like this, and this has to be turned down from this point to this point of 420. Just so you guys can see it. Anyway, so that's 45 thou at a center step. So if there's 45 thou on this side, there's kinda 45 thou on this side to find the offset center. And to do that, you take 375, or you take 420, you minus 375, and you have 45 thou. So there's 45 thou on this side, and there's 45 thou on this side. And additively they're 90 thou. And 90 thou plus 375 comes out to 465 thou. So just so you kind of, I might have lost some of you, but anyway. So this is a gauge pin set, and it has all the increments of pin sizes, and we need a 465 thou. Which is right here. So 465 thou gauge pin. I'm not sure if you can, it does have it written on the side, but it's very difficult to see. Anyway, so that's what we need. This is a, don't mean to lose you, but get rid of this drawing so you kind of know what I'm doing. This is called a herring fixture, and what it does is it turns upon a center, but this V-block that clamps it can be shifted off the center. So it's designed for grinding off center, or you can grind stuff on center. So it's specially designed to make cams or grind pins perfect. So what I need to do is to find the off center, put the 465 pin in, and indicate that up perfectly. And that will be my cam offset. So, just give it a little lockdown, and then with the indicator I got to turn that so the dial on the indicator stays at the same point. So kind of see that a little better. So right now on either side, I'll zero it out. The zeros, you can kind of see the zero's up here, right where the dial is now. And at the top of the pin, it's minus 4 thou. Side is back to 0 again. And that's plus 4 thou. So I need to make a little adjustment. So I only have the lock on slightly. So I'm going to pound this. And things could have moved. I don't know if that's still going to sit at 0. But anyway, right now it's running 0 there and minus 1 thou. So I want to shift it a half thou more. And if you get it within 1 thou, it's generally pretty good. Now it's sitting a little heavy at the top. Now I got it going the other way again. And that's within half a thou. So I'm going to lock it down. Lock everything down nice and tight. And double check it. That's swaying between plus and minus half a thou. So that's good enough for now. Next I'm in the middle of heat treating the pins right now. So this sets the herring fixture up for grinding the pins. So what you want to do is you stick this heavy side so it's grinding more material off. So by putting it in the fixture, kind of like so, and clamping it down, it spins it amongst about center, and it grinds the cam on. And I'll show you that after the heat treat process. Thanks for watching, guys.